Here are 4 ways to display the product description on your project page in Aries Shopify theme. Let's start with the description block. I add it inside the product information section, and the product description shows up right away as plain text, no setup needed. Now the drawer block. I add it to the section. First, I type a label. This is the text shown on the product page. Then I add a heading on the top of the drawer. For the content of the drawer, I want to pull the product description dynamically. I click the dynamic source icon next to the content field and the panel opens. I go to Template, Product, and I select the description field. The drawer is now connected to the product description. From the block settings, I can enable full width to keep the drawer title on a single line. I can choose between link or text and icon for the link style. And there are also several options for the heading size, the text size, and the drawer width. Same idea for the Popup block. I add it to the section, type a label, set the heading, and then I connect the product description as a dynamic source of the content. The customization options are the same as the drawer: full width, link style, heading size, and text size. And finally, the collapsible row block. I add it, type the heading text, and pick an icon from the icon selector. I will choose none. Then I connect the description as a dynamic source in the row content field. Same path as before: template, product, and description. For deeper styling, I go back to the section settings and scroll to the collapsible content settings. From there, I can change the card style between underline, as it's now, to bordered or elevated. I can also adjust the border width, the border radius, the text style, and the content alignment. So that's 4 ways to display your project description in Aries Shopify theme: description, drawer, pop-up, and collapsible row blocks. If you want to try it in your own store, the link is in the description.